Let's find out. The names of different kinds of street food found around the world. Part 4 of 5. The first one on our list for the day are the yummy taco, which can also be pronounced as taco, taco or taco. The next is veg jiangbing, veg jiangbing. Next we have khao soi, khao soi. The next yummy street food on our list is khachapuri, khachapuri. Moving on, we have koshari, which can also be pronounced as koshari, koshari or koshari. Next we have the yummy momo, momo. Moving on, we have pierogi, pierogi. Moving on, we have roasted chestnuts, roasted chestnuts. And the last one on our list for the day is guacamole, guacamole. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different kinds of street food. Which one is your favorite? And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining in today. See you again tomorrow. Next video is gonna come very soon. Bye-bye. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut or Peach.